Hi guys, it's Lara from the Social and Space, and today I brought you a 10-minute anti-anxiety breathing practice. So if you feel recently a little bit tense in the shoulders, a little bit anxious in the heart space, try this practice and feel the difference. Okay, we start in a seated position. So find your cross-legged seated position or any position of your choice. And I invite you to rest the arms on your knees and gently close down the eyes. We start with entering the body through our breath. So I invite you to take a deep breath in through the nose and a deep exhale out of the mouth. In through the nose and out of the mouth. Last one, into the nose and out of the mouth. Amazing. Relax your shoulders, straighten your spine, and then we slowly start with our anti-anxiety breathing practice. So you can keep the eyes closed during the whole practice, and soon we will guide the breath for 4 counts in through the nose and for 8 counts out of the mouth. And when you exhale out of the mouth, I invite you to just gently open the lips as if you're blowing against or through a straw, and you're exhaling like this. So to take a preparation breath in, we take another breath in through nose fully and exhale out of the mouth. You close the mouth, we start the first round. We inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. We exhale, gently open the lips, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale nose, 2, 3, 4, and exhale through the gentle open lips, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale nose, 2, 3, 4, and exhale mouth, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, count for yourself now. 4 counts inhale through the nose and 8 counts exhale out of the mouth. And while in this anti-anxiety breathing practice, you keep inhaling for 4 counts and keep focusing on the exhalation with a double count, with 8 counts, you allow your nervous system to actually find safety in the letting go, in the release, in the exhalation. Keep breathing like this. Three more rounds. And last round, inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take a deep inhale together. Hold the breath in the inhalation. Squeeze the pelvic floor in, squeeze the perineum in. Just hold here for a moment. Feel this elevation in the chest, this openness, this light tension. And then with an exhalation, open the mouth, and through the mouth, like blowing out of a straw, you exhale fully and release the tension in pelvic floor. Release the tension in the core. And hold the breath now in the emptiness. Holding the breath in the emptiness again teaches the body to find safety in the release. So while we're holding the breath, having a breath retention at the end of the exhalation, we try to find safety in the pelvic floor, in the core. Usually these areas tend to squeeze in when we're holding in the exhalation. Try to relax them. Try to relax the shoulders. Try to relax the chest. We hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep inhale in again. And exhale out of the mouth with a sigh. 2 more like this in between. Inhale nose. Exhale out of the mouth. 1 more. Inhale nose. And exhale mouth. Amazing. Close the mouth. Second and last round. Inhale for nose. 3, 4. Exhale through mouth. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale nose. 2, 3, 4. And exhale mouth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And keep breathing exactly like this. Guide the breath in for 4 counts. Guide the breath out for 8 counts gently through the mouth. And in the second round, I invite you to notice sometimes we tend to pull the breath in and force the breath out. Can you soften your breathing here a little bit more? Can you relax shoulders and jaw a little bit more? And can you guide the breath in and out in a soft and gentle way? Keep breathing like this, keep counting for yourself, but relax the forehead, the space between the eyebrows. Relax the cheeks, the jaw. Again, relax the shoulders and open the heart a little bit more. 3 more rounds. Last round in, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take a deep breath in, lengthening the spine, filling the belly, filling the chest, holding, maybe even feeling how the shoulders go a little bit more up. That's okay. Squeezing the belly button in, squeezing the pelvic floor in, lifting the energy up towards the center of the forehead. And then with an exhalation, first relax the core, relax the glutes, exhale. Last round, breath retention in the exhalation. Extend the arms fully, hold the breath in the release. Relax and open the belly, relax the shoulders, keep the arms long. And again, try to find softness in this emptiness, in this not knowing, in this release. Holding the breath for 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in. Fill yourself up. And exhalation. Keep the mouth closed and hum it out now. Inhale through nose. One more like this. And exhale. Keep the mouth closed. Hum it out now. Take a moment to notice, allow the breath to naturally flow in and out again. And either you can stay here for a couple more minutes with closed eyes in your meditation, just noticing what changed in your body, maybe what sensations arise and which sensations left your body. Maybe you can feel more relaxed, more calm in yourself. And whenever you're ready, you can blink open the eyes, come back to the space. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice. Have a beautiful day.